If you want to make any website go dark mode in Google Chrome, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to enable dark mode for websites using Chrome flags, so you can give pages a darker look without installing extra software. This is a great trick if you spend a lot of time browsing at night, want to reduce eye strain, or just prefer a cleaner dark theme while you work. And if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're using the desktop version of Chrome because this method works through Chrome's built-in experimental settings. Once Chrome is open, click the address bar at the top. Now type chrome://flags and press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to the Chrome flags page where you can turn on hidden browser features. On this page, you'll see a search box at the top. Click that search box and type dark mode. Chrome will filter the results and show you the setting you need. Look for the option called Auto Dark Mode for web contents. This is the feature that forces websites to display in dark mode, even if the website itself doesn't have a built-in dark theme. Next, click the drop-down menu beside Auto Dark Mode for web contents. By default, it will usually be set to default. Change it to Enabled. As soon as you do that, Chrome will prepare the new setting in the background. Now all that's left to do is click Relaunch. Chrome will restart automatically, and after it opens again, the dark mode setting will be active. Once Chrome comes back, visit any website, and you should notice that the page now appears darker and easier on the eyes. If a site doesn't look perfect at first, that's normal, since Chrome is applying a forced dark mode effect to the page content. You can also go back into chrome://flags anytime if you want to turn this feature off later. Just search for the same setting again and switch it back to default or disabled, then relaunch Chrome one more time. That gives you full control over when you want dark mode on and when you want the normal look restored. So to quickly recap, open Chrome, go to chrome://flags, search for dark mode, enable auto dark mode for web contents, and relaunch the browser. That's all it takes to make websites appear in dark mode in Google Chrome. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.